If you're using this ordinary glycolic acid only on your face, you're missing out because this product can literally change your skin. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 ways you can literally use just this one viral product and fade all those dark spots that you have on your skin from head to toe. If this sounds like what you're interested in, then you want to keep watching this video. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. So the first way you can use this product is using it on your underarm. So if your underarm is darker than the rest of your body, I know this is something that makes a lot of people insecure, but good news, this product can actually help you fade that part of your body and make it much more brighter. Basically, dark underarms actually occurs from friction, shaving, build-up of dead skin cells, and it's not something you should even be shy of. Good thing, if you have this product, it can help you because this contains glycolic acid, and glycolic acid will help to exfoliate dead skin cells and fade out all those dark marks that you have on your skin. So with consistent use, this will help to remove the dead skin cells, the build-up that you have on your underarm, and it will gradually fade the dark area that you have on your skin. So do not expect this to give you results in one day. With consistent use, you're going to use this for a long time. So how you're going to use this is you apply it on a cotton pad and swipe it on your underarm like that. So you swipe it across that area, leave it to dry, and that's it before you go in with your body cream. So if you apply your body cream under your underarm, you can do that, then go in with the rest of your other products. So that's pretty much how you use this in that area. So use this about 2, 3, 4 times in a week. Do not use it every single day, just so it doesn't worsen that area for you, because this should not be used every single day. This next tip will shock a lot of people, but do you know that you can actually use this glycolic acid toner for body odor? I'm sure a lot of you guys do not know. So you can actually use this for body odor. So if you're girly and you notice that you have like body odor, right? You can apply this glycolic acid to your underarm and it will help, because what causes body odor is bacteria, and glycolic acid that this toner actually contains, it creates an environment that bacteria that causes the body odor cannot survive. It cannot breed, it cannot stay. So this will help to kill that bacteria that causes that body odor for you. And once that bacteria is killed, right, you will stop experiencing that foul smell. It's great in helping to curb body odor. So what you do is apply this to the cotton pad and swipe it across your underarm. I also do not want you to depend solely on this. It works fantastic, but still, if you have body odor, you should also look at your hygiene. Do you shower frequently? Do you wear tight clothes? Do you sweat a lot? And if you sweat, do you repeat those clothes that you sweat on? Also look at your hygiene to help you curb that body odor so that you can smell fresh and smell clean at all times while still using this product to help kill the bacteria. The next part you can actually use this product for is dark inner thigh. So if you are someone that has like dark inner thighs, your thighs are really dark compared to the rest of your body, this product will help you, because what causes actually dark inner thighs is mostly friction, because the two thighs are like close together. So when you walk, they are constantly rubbing against each other and causing friction. So that's what actually leads to dark inner thighs. So the friction, other things like sweating, tight clothes, and also irritation over time causes that area to be dark. The skin there then becomes thick. So with the help of glycolic acid will help to loosen that thick skin and also loosen the dead skin cells that are accumulated on that area. And once it gradually breaks all of those things down, glycolic acid in this toner will help to start fading the dark marks, to start lifting it up gradually and consistently. You will start seeing that area becomes much more lighter than how dark it used to be. Because of how sensitive this area is, because it's close to the sister down there, you have to be careful on how you use it so it doesn't go into the sister down there, and also limit how frequent you use it, because that area is pretty sensitive. You don't want to be too aggressive, else it will make that part much more darker. So you have to be gentle. If normally you use this product on your other part of your body, like let's say like 4 times in a week, you can reduce this part to like using it like 2 times in a week. So how you are going to use this product in that area is, once you have your shower, towel your body and dry up the water on your body, you would apply this on a cotton pad and you swipe it across that area. Then allow it to sit for a while to dry, then go in with your body cream. Always make sure that when you are using this product, you always go in with a moisturizing cream, just so that it moisturizes that area. It dries up whatever area you apply it to, and you need moisture to be back into your skin to be able to keep your skin healthy and plump. Next thing you can actually use this product for is for strawberry legs, aka KP. You know, all those tiny dots that are on people's legs, you will find it a lot on the leg area. All those things, all those dots, all those marks on the skin are usually caused by ingrown hair. Usually like when you shave with your shaving stick, those ingrown hair are still in the skin. The glycolic acid in this will help to exfoliate around the hair follicle on your skin, and also prevent build-up, and also help to loosen the skin and remove the build-up, and also fade the dark marks that you have on your skin. So instead of having like a rough dotted skin, with time you start seeing your skin smooth and not dotted anymore. Those dotted marks will start fading off gradually. How you're going to use this is, yes, still apply it on a cotton pad after you've had your shower. You should not be applying this product when you've not had your bath, when there's dirt on your skin. You need to have your shower, clean your body, like towel your body and remove the water on your skin. Make sure your skin is dry. Then you apply this on a cotton pad and swipe it across your leg or the areas that you have the strawberry legs. Then allow it to dry, then before you go in with your body cream. And also make sure that when you are using this product, you do not go in with a body cream that contains exfoliating acids, something like maybe like a retinol or something. No, make sure you are following in with a gentle body cream, a moisturizing and nourishing body cream, just so that the actives do not clash and cause another skin concern for you. So tip number 4, you can actually use this product on your back acne or dark spots. I know this is famous. This is what a lot of people use this for dark marks, especially on their face or on their body. This works wonderful. So if you have things like dark spots on your back, acne, your chest, all of that stuff, this is a very good product that you can use to clear out all those things. So how you are going to use this product is by applying it on a cotton pad and applying it on a affected area. That's how you're going to use it. And I know it can be really stressful to actually reach your back, especially when you're using small cotton pads, right? So what you can do is, this is liquid, so you can pour it into like a spray bottle, then have it and spray it all over your skin. So you can spray it on your chest, then spray it on your back. It's much more easier to use a spray bottle and spray this on your back compared to cotton pad. So once you do that, allow it to dry down on your skin before you go in with any of your other product. And the next product you should be going in with should be your body cream to help seal up the moisture and keep your skin moisturized. Also, do not use it every day for your back or your chest. Limit it, because if you use it excessively, it could make your skin irritated. The next part of your body that you can use this product for is your dark knees, your dark knuckles, and also your elbows. This is a fantastic product to use on those areas, because those areas are basically like the darkest part of our body. A lot of people just want to fade out that part. They want that part to be brighter. So this is your best bet to help you fade that area, because what causes that area to be dark is because of the bones that are jointed in that area. And when you move those areas, when you walk or when you're using your hand or your leg, there's a lot of friction that is going on in that area from inside. So that is what causes all of that dark marks. And if you're someone that you go to the gym, you exercise, or you pray, your knees are all constantly maybe touching the floor, all those things causes friction, and in turn it causes that area to be much more dark. This product will help to exfoliate that area for you, remove the dead skin cells that you have on your skin, make everything smooth, and also fade out the dark area gradually. It works pretty well. Fantastic, you'll see results, but you have to be patient and use it what? Consistently. And last but not the least, you can actually use this product on your face. I know this is everyone's favorite. Everybody knows that you can actually drench your face with this product, but do not drench your face, right? But you can actually use this on your face to fake things like dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin, and for texture as well. You can use this product. I don't even need to tell you guys, because it's all over TikTok, all over social media, how people have used this product on their face and they've seen wonderful results. But here's where a lot of people get it wrong. They treat this toner as a daily toner. You shouldn't be using this toner every single day, because it has an active ingredient that if you use it every single day, it can be quite irritating. And once your skin is irritated, your skin barrier is damaged, that skin concern that you're trying to treat, it will be worse. So do not use this toner every day. Pick 2, 3, 4 times in a week, or depends on how your skin can actually handle it. I've actually seen people use this every day and still get away with it. So it basically depends on how your skin can handle it. If you have sensitive skin, that already tells you that you should not use this, else you're going to further irritate your skin and damage your skin barrier. But if you know that your skin is on the advanced level, I would say still be wary, but if you know your skin can handle it, go on. But for me, I don't use this every day because my skin cannot handle it, and I don't want to worsen any skin concern that I already have. So how you're gonna use this, make sure of course you wash your skin, allow your skin to dry. Do not apply anything on your skin first, then apply this on the cotton pad, then swipe it across the areas or the entire face, and avoid the sensitive part of your face, like the corners of your nose and also around your eye area. Avoid all those parts because they are really sensitive, so it doesn't irritate those areas. So that's pretty much how you can use this product on your face. So just a quick recap, you can use these on your underarm, your face, your dark inner thighs, your knees, your elbows, your ankles, for body odor, back acne, your dark spots. You can see that this product is a multitasker, like I've told you guys, right? So at the end of the day, you do not need 1,000,001 products in your routine. You just need the right product, and also know how to use that right product for it to work for you and for it to serve a lot of other purposes for you. Just be very careful on how you use this product. Do not use it excessively, do not use it aggressively, because you would ruin what you are trying to build, what you're trying to fade, what you're trying to treat on your skin. You would ruin it if you use it aggressively. More is not better when it comes to skincare. Less is better. Be patient and be consistent. Do not use this product and expect to see results in 2 days. No, be patient, be consistent, and I promise you, once you follow all of these steps, you use this product the right way, this could be one of the best skincare products that you would have in your routine. So let me know in the comment section if this was helpful to you. And I also made another video explaining how you can actually use this product, like an in-depth way you can actually use this product in your skincare routine for your face and also for your body. I highly recommend you check out that video so you understand how this product works and also how to use it effectively. Let me know in the comment section if there are other ways that you actually use this product, and if this product is your holy grail. Let me know. I want to see all of those comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I have a lot of other videos that I am sure you're definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I will see you guys in this video. Don't go away.